Hi everyone, I am NIVETHA. Then I completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science from College of Applied Science. Then I came here in the month of August. Then I got in Capgemini with a package of 2.75 LPA. Then talking about the faculties here, they are very helpful and we can ask any doubts without any hesitation for them. They will be clear all the doubts. Then classes and all, it's very understandable and crystal clear. Then talking about the HRs, they are also very friendly. We can ask any doubts regarding the requirements and grooming. They will be conducting grooming for all the interview rounds. Then I would like to thank all the HRs and faculties here. Then I will suggest all you guys to join JSpiders Hebbal to develop your technical skills in Java, SQL, HTML. It was very nice experience here. Then thank you.